So to connect your WooCommerce with your 2Checkout inline is that you need first to download the zip file from your WooCommerce account. To do that is that you need to go to WordPress admin, plugins, then go to add new and upload plugin with the file you downloaded with the choose file. Install and activate. After that is that you need to go to your check out to checkout seller area where you should find your account number at the top right of the screen by clicking your of course profile icon. Now go to account, site management and get the direct return as header redirect your URL and enter the URL which you can see right here. You should go to account, choose site management, choose the header redirect or the your URL, then go to approved URL. After that is that you need to set up the notification. Of course, this is up to you if you want to set up the notification. Next is that we need to enable the order created, fraud status change, invoice status change, and refund issued option and set the URLs. So here are some examples. Just need to enable what changes you want to do. Next is to turn on the to checkout inline checkout, which as you can see right here, and the payment method is that this was turned on. After that is that you just need to save the changes or whatever changes you want to change or modify in this section.